Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Vaccinating children. Is it safe? We don't have any real-world data yet for COVID-19 vaccines, but we do know that in general, vaccinating children, just as vaccinating adults, is safe. There are already trials that have begun in different parts of the world where children of various ages are being trialed for COVID vaccines, and many kids world over have already received the vaccine as well and have not reported any adverse events that we need to be concerned with when it comes to safety of vaccines in children. In this video, let's look at vaccination in children. Should kids get the vaccine? What different trials are going on for COVID-19 vaccine, and what are the other vaccines that children get and at what age? I'm Sandhya Ramesh and this is Pure Science. Let's start off by asking, should children get the COVID-19 vaccine? The answer is of course yes, because 1, the disease affects them, and 2, they can transmit. Now we know that vaccination prevents severe disease and death, and it also lowers transmission rate. Children rarely develop severe COVID, and deaths are even more unheard of. There have been some exceptions, of course. There are children with a lot of comorbidities that do raise their risk of contracting a severe disease or death, and there have been reported deaths. There have been more incidences of kids getting affected and hospitalized in this wave in India especially, but overall we think that just about 1 in 1,000 kids die, and that too only if they develop some deadly conditions like multi-system inflammatory syndrome in children called MIS-C. We can also see numerous heartbreaking stories about kids being orphaned in this country because of COVID, and this is because the older adults in the family die of the disease, but children do not. Children probably aren't super spreaders. The younger they are, the lower the chances of being super spreaders, but there are cases climbing in several countries, especially countries that have already had large-scale adult vaccination programs. As cases climb in general, people are being hospitalized for long periods of time. There is indiscriminate plasma usage. There are immunocompromised patients, patients undergoing chemotherapy, all of them being affected by COVID. And these lead to the rise of newer variants and mutations. We now think that the emergence of faster spreading variants, even with rising adult vaccination rates, such as the variation of the Indian variant now currently spreading in UK despite high adult vaccination, this means that children could also be contributing to the spread of the disease. Additionally, mass vaccination and vaccination campaigns are known to curb transmission, and they do help us hit herd immunity safely. Herd immunity is when a pathogen doesn't have enough unvaccinated individuals to infect in its vicinity. So achieving herd immunity brings us closer to the end of a pandemic or an epidemic. Herd immunity can be achieved safely by vaccination only. It is a concept that is associated with vaccination only and not with the natural course of disease, unless we are okay with thousands or maybe even lakhs of preventable deaths. Vaccines curb transmission effectively without killing people, and vaccinated kids thus contribute to disease control. So it is important to arrest that transmission even if it is happening among or by kids. The trials in kids will be just a rehash of the trials in adults. There are already some countries that have begun pediatric trials. In the US, both Pfizer and Moderna are trialing their mRNA vaccine on children. Novavax is also testing their vaccine on children. In India too, there are 5 centers now that have received ethics committee approvals for Covaxin trials in children from the ages of 2 to 18, and the trial is now registered on CTRI. There will be 3 groups of children aged between 2 and 6 years, 6 and 12 years, and 12 and 18 years. Each of these groups will have 175 children who will be vaccinated with Covaxin. At the moment, each site has set a target to vaccinate at least 35 children in each age group, and this will begin with the highest age group or the oldest age group because risk climbs with age. The 5 institutions in India that will be doing pediatric trials for Covaxin are the Prakhar Hospital in Kanpur, AIIMS in Patna, Mysore Medical College in Mysore, the Pranam Hospital in Hyderabad, and the Meditrina Center in Nagpur. There are 5 other sites that are also apparently under consideration but have not been confirmed yet. Serum Institute also wants to start testing the Novavax vaccine on kids. The vaccine is produced by the company Novavax and licensed by Serum Institute in India. And this vaccine has not been authorized for use anywhere in the world, including among adults. When it comes to vaccine trials in children, there have been some criticisms or warnings of caution. This has to primarily do with how children's immune systems are not as well developed as adults. Many experts say that trials on kids under the age of 12 should be restricted until the vaccines are tried and deemed to be safe and effective for kids aged between 12 and 18. Smaller kids might also require smaller doses, but countries like the US are trialing the vaccines anyway. In fact, US is trialing vaccines on children as young as 6 months, and US has also already authorized the use of Pfizer vaccine for 12 to 15-year-olds in the US. However, it is important to remember that Pfizer and Moderna are mRNA vaccines. Other vaccines are inactivated or viral vector vaccines, and the body might produce different sets of antibodies depending on what kind of antigens are present in the vaccine. Antigens are foreign particles that our body produces antibodies against. They recognize antigens as being foreign, and usually the antigens in a lot of these COVID-19 vaccines is the spike protein of the virus. But these vaccines are also being trialed or will be in pediatric settings. The UK is doing trials for kids aged 6 to 12 and 12 to 18 for the AstraZeneca vaccine as well, which is Covishield. There are so many vaccines that children do get safely, and it has tremendously improved public health globally in the past century. There are some, in fact, that are given to children as soon as they're born in the hospital before they're even discharged. Vaccines are that safe and that effective. These kind of vaccines for newborn infants typically include vaccines like BCG, hepatitis B, or oral polio vaccine where required. I'll leave a link to the childhood immunization schedule in India in the description below. Kids are sometimes given the pentavalent vaccine a few weeks after birth. This includes 5 antigens, penta, against the diseases diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, hepatitis B, and flu. Sometimes the indigenous rotavirus vaccine, as well as the first dose of a measles vaccine, is also given within the first year of birth. The measles vaccine is usually in the form of MMR, mumps, measles, and rubella, and measles vaccine is also often accompanied by a vitamin A shot. And from the age of about 1.5 to 2 years, all the way up to 10 years, children in India typically receive booster shots for all the vaccines that they got. There are also other vaccines that kids in this age group might get. In other countries, depending on which diseases are endemic to the population, which ones are at high risk, and which ones children are at a high risk for, there are other diseases that kids get vaccinated against. These include dengue. The vaccine should be administered only after 9 years of age. There's also the seasonal flu shot, the meningococcal vaccine, the rabies vaccine, hepatitis A vaccine, various encephalitis vaccines, the yellow fever vaccine, and HPV vaccine. All in all, while trials are going on for COVID-19 vaccines, in general, vaccination is considered perfectly safe for children. We have a long and well-documented history of vaccinating children, and children could become eligible for COVID vaccines soon, taking us one step closer to resuming a routine life for kids.